Hello everyone, I am Mannat and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, last week I did a community post and I gave you 4 options. First was fluid art, second was DIY school supplies, third was wall decor, and fourth was reusing or upcycling ideas, that is best out of waste. And most of the 53% votes were for fluid art and 27% votes were for school supplies. Votes for wall decor were 13% and votes for best out of waste were 7%. So fluid art received maximum votes, but I am receiving so many comments in my different videos for making DIY school supplies. So guys, I'll be making DIY school supplies on next Saturday, that is 21 June 2021. And so yeah, stay tuned for that. And also there is a shout out, so stay tuned for that. Turn on the bells and comment down below. Coming on to the fluid art, I was having this fluid art kit since a long time. I bought this kit 3-4 months ago. I wanted to try this fluid art ever since it was on trend. So yeah, I bought this kit. I don't know how I forgot. Some days before I was organizing my room and I saw this kit and I was like, how can I forgot? So yeah, this was the story behind this kit. So the kit says no pouring medium required. It says no pouring medium required because the colors already have such a perfect consistency. Well, I tried this art for the first time. If you mess it up, don't worry, you're gonna get a spectacular design at last. You get 8 by 8 inches of canvas board with it, but what happens at you will still have some colors left in the bottles. So what I did was I took a thick cardboard of 6 by 6 inches and I wrapped it with a thick paper, and I made one more fluid art on it. I made 2 of them. These types of kits are available online also, so if you want you can purchase them online. If possible, I would link them in the description. So yeah, if you want you can go and check it out. So this was a long intro for fluid art, and yeah, without wasting more time, let's get started with today's video.
24 hours later.
So this fluid art is very satisfying. Like when you are pouring the colors in the cup, it feels so satisfied. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching this fluid art, and if you guys are new on my channel, then please make sure to subscribe to my channel and also click the notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. And the school supplies video will be coming on next Saturday, that is 12 June 2021. Visit my website, the link is in description. And yeah, see you next Saturday. Bye bye, thanks for watching.